So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts on Picsart. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Picsart app. On here you can see some of the photos that you've added. So you can see some of the projects I've worked on, and I suggest you click on that and that you want to add a font on. So at the bottom you can see tools, and you can see some of the adjustments you can create through here, and you can see effects, retouch, cutout, a lot of tools at the bottom of the page as well, and you can go to my folders. Now before you upload your font, you will first need to download it and then add it to your files, and with opening it alongside with Picsart, it will appear on here. You can see my files, my collections, and posted to Picsart. So you have 3 folders right now. If you click on my files, you can see some of the projects that are being worked on, stickers, videos, and you can see the option fonts. So on here, bring custom fonts to your edit. So if you've created some custom font, or rather you've downloaded some custom font and you want to use it so you don't use the many fonts and many options that they offer on here, you can choose the font right there and then add it to your picture that you want to add the font on right there, and will be applicable on here. And there's a lot of other features underneath that are also you're also able to add to Picsart through there. So that's about it. You can add your own font to your Picsart. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Picsart or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.